Tynnu'r capel I lawr. Maen nhw'n tynnu'r capel yn ddarna, yn cario'r feincia allan fesul un fel anifeiliad marw. Mae'r hen ddrysa derw yn hannar hongian fel cyrff, y sgriwdreifar trydan yn sydyn wrth ei waith. Does dim llawer ar ôl o'r balcony, ond cysgod y cloc mawr. Ôl yr holl amser hir yn sgwâr du ar y wal. Mae'r pilpid wedi ei ddwyn, y set fawr yn llawn llwch. Does dim tristwch yng nghalon y gweithwyr, I mewn ar creiria, I fan ac arni logo smart, Architectural Antiques of Chester. And this is for my mother. And it's called Cooking Fish. I bought the best fish, drove it fresh to her door. I put it in her fridge, hoping she'd be pleased. But she says she feels like fish fingers and peas. I talk her round with all the goodness of my heart, of freshly caught cod caught in the dark, omega-3 and cod liver oil. It's good for your brain, ma'am, it's good for your brain. This is what it's like cooking fish for my mother. She tells me get the pan, the one I gave her. It's still in the bedroom wrapped in festive paper. She insists I clean it with soap and hot water, really hot water, very hot water. I heat the pan, oil spitting, place the fillet as an offering. I open the windows and see the cat's line, shoulder to shoulder, shoulder to shoulder. This is what it's like cooking fish for my mother. I lay the fish on a see-through plate, 2 thin slices carried on a tray. She says it's not browned, she says it's not browned, it's not how she likes it, not how she likes it. I watch her eat, but then she complains, the cod is too cold, the cod is too cold, the fillet's too thick, I should have got a tail end so she could chew it, so she could chew it. This is what it's like cooking fish for my mother. I want her to enjoy, but she just picks and fusses, the pure white flakes all about her plate. With each bite, she rejects my effort. She says peas and fish fingers would have really been better.